Happy morning, student. In previous video, we have obtained the equations of magnetic field due to a bar magnet at a point along its axis. This equation is B axis is equal to the mu naught upon 4 pi twice m upon r cube, and magnetic field due to a bar magnet at a point along its equatorial line is B equatorial is equal to the mu naught upon 4 pi m upon r cube. In today's problems depends on these two formulae. Okay, let us see first problem. See this. A short magnetic dipole has a magnetic moment 0.5 ampere meter square. Therefore, in solution, data is equal to the small m is equal to the 0.5 ampere meter square. Okay, calculate its magnetic field at a distance of 20 centimeter. Therefore, what is 20 centimeter? 20 centimeter is r is equal to the 20 centimeter is equal to the, convert it into meter. Therefore, 20 into 10 raised to minus 2. Therefore, it becomes 0.2 meter. Okay. Now, from the center of magnetic dipole, we have to calculate the magnetic field at a distance of 20 centimeter from the center of magnetic dipole on the axis and on the equatorial line. Therefore, first we have to find out A means BA and B means BE. We have to find out the value of BA and BE. Let us calculate one by one. First, we calculate the value of BA. What is the formula for BA? BA is equal to the mu naught upon 4 pi twice m upon r cube. Okay, mu naught is the permeability of a free space, 4 pi is constant, small m is here the magnetic dipole moment, and r is the distance OP. Okay, and here mu naught value is given in your question paper also and in your books also. Mu naught is equal to the 4 pi into 10 raised to minus 7 Weber per ampere meter. Therefore, BA is equal to the mu naught upon 4 pi is the 10 raised to minus 7 into 2 into 0.5. Okay. Small m is the 0.5 upon r cube. R cube is the 0.2. Okay. Therefore, 0.2 bracket cube, because here is the r cube. Okay. Therefore, BA is equal to the 10 raised to minus 7, because 2 into 0.5 is 1. Numerator is only the 10 raised to minus 7. This is 0.2 bracket cube is 0.008. Okay, or we can write down 8 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, therefore, BA is equal to the 1 upon 8 into 10 raised to, this is 10 raised to minus 7, and this is 8 into, okay, 10 raised to minus 3. Therefore, it becomes 10 raised to minus 4. Okay. Then what is the 1 upon 8? 1 upon 8 is the BA is equal to the 1 upon 8 is the, what is the value of 1 upon 8? 0.125 into 10 raised to minus 4, or you can write down BA is equal to the 1.1 25 into 10 raised to minus 5 Weber per meter square. This is the value of BA. Okay, now let us calculate the value of BE. You know what is the relations between the BA and BE. त्याच्यावरने आपण हे फाइंड आउट करू शकतो. ओके, BE ची व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो. And separately सुद्धा use the formula for BE. BE is equal to the mu naught upon 4 pi m upon r cube, or B axis is equal to the twice of B equatorial. You can use this equation also. Let us calculate the BE. BE is equal to the mu naught upon 4 pi small m upon r cube. Okay, therefore BE is equal to the mu naught upon 4 pi is 10 raised to minus 7 into small m is 0.5. Okay, upon mu naught upon 4 pi value, we have put this 10 raised to minus 7. What is r cube? R cube is here 0.2 bracket cube. Okay, therefore BE is equal to the 5 into 10 raised to minus 8. This is 0.5 and this is 10 raised to minus 7. Therefore, we can write down this 5 into 10 raised to minus 8 upon, this is again 0.2 bracket cube is 8 into 10 raised to minus 3. Therefore, BE is equal to the 5 by 8 into 10 raised to minus 5. Okay, this 5 by 8 is BE is equal to the, if you dividation it's completed, and if you obtain the equation 5 by 8 is 0.625 into 10 raised to minus 5 Weber per meter square. Or you can easily use the relations between BA and BE. BA is equal to the twice of BE, that is the magnetic field due to a bar magnet at a point along its axis is equal to the twice of the magnetic field due to a bar magnet at a point along its equator. Okay, now second problem. Two small and similar bar magnets have magnetic dipole moment 1 ampere meter square. We have given here the two bar magnet, and of course these two bar magnets are the small and similar. Its magnetic dipole moment is 1 ampere meter square. Okay, their axes are perpendicular to each other. दोघांचे ॲक्सिस एकमेकांना परपेंडिक्युलर आहे. A line drawn through the axis of one magnet passes through the center of the other magnet. ओके, ह्या पॉईंटवरनं काय होणार आहे, सिच्युएशन ही क्लिअर होणार आहे की सपोज दिस इज द फर्स्ट मॅग्नेट. ओके, we can say this magnet as A. Okay, and second magnet is this, say it is B. Okay, then see this, their axes are perpendicular to each other. This is the axis of first magnet, this is the axis of second magnet. They are perpendicular to each other. Okay, then a line drawn through the axis of one magnet passes through the center of the other magnet. Okay, सेंटरच्या बरोबर मधून ती दुसरा मॅग्नेटिक ॲक्सिस हा पास झालेला आहे. Then if the distance between their center is 2 meter, this is the center of first magnet you say, or magnet B you say, and this is the center of the magnet A you say, and this distance is, what is, it is 2 meter. Okay, now find the magnitude of magnetic field at the midpoint of the line joining their center. We have to find out the magnetic field at the midpoint. Therefore, we have to calculate BM म्हणूया. BM means magnetic field at the midpoint of the line joining their center. We have to calculate the value of BM. Okay, both the magnets have same magnetic dipole moment 1 ampere meter square. Okay, you can say the small m1 is equal to the 1, small m2 is equal to the again 1. Okay, then you can write the magnetic field at an axial point of bar magnet A is BA. What is the value of then BA? BA is equal to the S mu naught upon 4 pi twice M small m upon R cube. Okay. And what is the B? Second magnets mu naught upon 4 pi m upon R cube. What is the BM? Then BM square is equal to the BA square plus BB square. Okay, here A and B are the two different magnets. Okay, therefore BM is equal to the under root of BA square plus BB square. Therefore BM is equal to the under root of, say this, here is mu naught upon 4 pi m upon R cube is common. Okay, in first bracket remaining is 2 square, therefore it is become 4. Okay, here is nothing but a small m is again 1, 2 square 4 plus here is small m is 1, therefore 4 plus 1. Okay, therefore BM is equal to the, here is under root of mu naught upon 4 pi m upon R cube. Okay, square, therefore take it outside, we get mu naught upon 4 pi m upon R cube under root of 5 only. Then put the substitution. BM is equal to the mu naught upon 4 pi is 10 raised to minus 7 into 1 upon this R cube. Okay, R cube. We have to find out the magnitude of magnetic field at the midpoint of the line joining the two centers. This center length is the 2 meter. Therefore R is here 1 meter. Therefore it is 1 cube root 5. Therefore what is the answer? BM, here I am writing the answer. BM is equal to the, see this, this is 1 upon 1, 1. This is 10 raised to minus 7 into the root 5. Therefore BM is equal to the root 5 into 10 raised to minus 7 Weber per meter square, or second unit of magnetic induction is Tesla. Let us stop here.